Let's say hey to some animals. Good morning! Oh, don't look away in shame, Cody. Are you embarrassed of me? Good morning! Oh, feeling kind of spicy this morning. Feeling kind of spicy. Good morning! I love you so much! Cody's so embarrassed of me. And the pigs and the piglets are running around. Good morning! The piglets aren't running out. They're right behind them. I can see behind the bushes. But oh, there we go. When Peppa will move, the babies will come out. Maybe. I see them, but it's probably hard to see on the video. All their mamas over there. So move on, little babies. Oh, the duck had to steal a shot. Well, I guess the piglets aren't going to come do a dance for us. Good morning, Prissy. I love you. Hit him with a smolder.